Hi, I'm depressed. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a very special guest with me. Can you introduce yourself?
Sure. Hi, my name is Devin Meyer. I am a transgender YouTuber. I make videos on social politics regarding trans-related issues and monthly updates on my hormone replacement therapy.
Cool. And my name is obviously Luna Saffron, as you know. So today, I'm going to be doing Devin's makeup, because I've never actually seen her with makeup on, and she has a decent face that I would like to put makeup on. So, I don't know, I think it's going to be fun to just, see what she looks like in that way.
I'm scared.
You probably should be.
I'm a little concerned for my safety right now.
I'll try not to stab you or anything, but no promises. I've only done someone's makeup one other time before, so I might be bad at this. I don't know. Can I get you to remove your spectacles? Thank you. Okay, so I've already got Devin to prime her face using this e.l.f. primer that I always use.
I can't see anything right now.
That's okay. You're not really allowed to look until I'm done, so.
I could see myself in the viewfinder here, but it's just a blur.
I don't understand not having vision, so I can't relate to that. So I'm gonna start off by putting concealer on your face. Can you put your hair back as well?
Sure.
I'm kind of hoping that both of our skin colors are similar enough that she can use the same products I use.
I think you're paler than I am.
I think so too, so you might be kind of white. Anyways, this is the latest shade of the Tarte Shape Tape, so I'm gonna put it on her high points. Wow, does that feel cool?
Mm-hmm.
Hell yeah, it's a really nice feeling, right? I think that's gonna be a good color match, to be honest. Now I'm gonna use NYX's latest shade, which is really dark for some reason. I never use this. Okay, now I'm gonna blend that out with a beauty blender, because that's what you blend stuff with. So that's a light coverage base, I guess. I still need to put some on your eyelids though.
Oh, it's the eye stuff I'm scared about.
Just relax, close your eyes, I'll be gentle. Now I'm gonna put powder on her face because I just used creamy liquidy products and I don't want them to crease or anything sad like that. Do you understand the concept of powder?
Yeah.
That's cool.
That's one of the few things I know about makeup.
That was one of the last things I learned. I don't get powder. What is it for? It doesn't really look like anything when you put it on. But it's actually a texture thing. So I've pretty much got the base on, so I'm gonna start adding dimension by contouring the sides of her face. So I'm using NYX's contour palette. It's a good one, I guess. It's the only one I've ever had. Can you go Yay, this is fun. Now, I'm gonna do pretty much what I just did again. In a different location on her face. Okay, what should I do now? And you want really soft, right? A really soft, natural.
Maybe on the line from natural to intense.
Okay, so kind of what I'm doing right now.
Probably not that dark of lipstick and stuff.
Yeah, probably not. My mom was like, why do you look goth? Okay, so I'm basically done the face part for now. Cause I just I do the base and then I do the contour. But I don't do the blush or highlight until I'm done everything else. Normally I would bake right now, but I don't really care that much. So I don't want to do that. I'm just gonna move on to eyebrows. So right now I'm just gonna brush them in the direction that I'd like them to be going. I'm gonna use this color from my eyeshadow palette. Don't move. Hell yeah. Like, normally I wouldn't do eyebrows with eyeshadow because it, like, moves way too easily, but I only have one eyebrow color, basically, so this is what we're gonna do. So a good thing to do with eyebrows is to, like, correct them with concealer. So I'm gonna do that. It just makes them look a lot sharper. This is like the part of the brows that like makes them look so good. Like, it doesn't even matter how well you do with the brow product. Unless you can like carve them out really well, it's still not gonna look as good as it could. Now I'm gonna do eyeshadow. Honestly, if I'm doing a light look, I'm not gonna use actual eyeshadow. I just use the contour palette. Cause like, we already got those colors going on. And now I'm gonna blend that with my blending brush.
I'm worried about the eyeliner here.
Oh, you want me to do eyeliner?
I don't know. It's the one thing that scares me.
I could try it.
Might as well.
It might ruin everything, but I mean, if you want it.
Just like keep building it up.
Okay. So we're gonna do eyeliner, which isn't the most natural thing, but Devin wants it. Okay, so now that I've like drawn a wing on, I want to make the crease like sharper. So I'm gonna do a little bit like of a half cut crease, no big deal. I'm conducting art. I'm like concentrating so hard. I've never done this before. So Sephora sent me a free Tarte blush called Party for my birthday. So I'm gonna use that one. Can you go like...
I still think it's so weird that you put blush on like the forehead and the jaw.
Oh yeah, for sure.
On the nose too.
Fuck yeah. Makes you look like you're cold. Time to nose contour because I forgot. You have a really nice nose, by the way, so it's
thank you.
really easy.
Somehow a PlayStation turned on
That's spooky.
and ejected the disc for some reason. How many more steps is there?
Highlight, lips, lashes. Okay, I'm gonna highlight her cheekbones now with my Jeffree Star Ice Cold Skin Frost and also a large highlighting fan brush from NYX Cosmetics. Okay, do the thing with the cheeks again. Okay, the last two steps are lashes and lips, and I don't want to share my products. Do you have any?
Everything's right there.
You have a Kylie lip kit?
No,
Oh.
it's fake.
Okay, now I'm gonna do her lips with this tiny tarteist lip paint in the color rosé. I'm just gonna get on my knees. Okay, now I'm using a mascara I don't approve of. Okay, I'm pretty much done, so I just have to set her face with NYX Dewy Finish, long lasting setting spray. Close your eyes.
That smells like the Bottle Depot.
It smells like the Bottle Depot.
Yeah.
I've never been to the Bottle Depot. I'm sort of satisfied with how I did.
You're sort of satisfied.
It's just the eyeliner, just because you have like hooded eyes.
I know, and that's the problem that I
It's
had when I tried
difficult.
makeup. When I tried it for like 10 minutes.
I finished, so now I get to show Devin what she looks like. Okay,
I'm
drum
scared.
roll.
Oh my god. Holy hell.
How do you feel?
Not myself.
Do you like it?
I like it, but I'm so not used to seeing myself like this. Holy god, that contour. You guys look.
Yeah, you have good cheeks for contour.
Do I? I mean,
Fish.
my hormones have like made my cheeks a lot larger, so. Shit, dude. Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
So Devin's just looking at herself right now, deciding what she thinks. How do you feel?
I don't know what I feel. This is so weird to me. I'm like not used to wearing makeup at all. So when I see myself wearing makeup, I'm just like, holy shit. I like how it looks and everything, but I don't know, to me, I don't really like the process of having to put on makeup every morning.
Oh fuck, me neither.
And when I'm like coming home from say work or a late night out, I just want to go to bed. I don't want to have to go through the process of washing it off and like cleansing my face and everything. I mean, I cleanse my face anyway, but
I totally feel that.
just the process of like putting it on and taking it off and seeing how different some people look with makeup on. Like, I don't know, I just want people to see what I look like without makeup. And like even my partner says that he'd prefer me not wearing makeup, and I'm like, oh thank God. Because I hate putting it on. And I don't know like what to use. I don't know what goes where.
I get that. Yeah, I totally relate to like not wanting to do it every day or like take it off at night. You just want to like flop into bed and you're like, oh, I'm gonna get my pillow really gross if I don't wash my face first.
Plus, when you're wearing it, you can't really touch your face.
Yeah.
And like a lot of times at work, like my eye would get itchy and I would just do this. And the one time I wore makeup, I'm like, I see it come off of my finger. I'm like, shit.
Yeah, that's horrible when that happens. That's like one of the main reasons that I wouldn't want to be fully like a woman, because I feel like
Look, I'm glowing.
Whoa. Because I feel like I'm obligated to do my makeup. Like I would feel obligated to do my makeup if I was a trans woman, just because like I'm good at it and people expect that from me. But I wouldn't want to do it every day because that would be so much work. Like I would be spending like 5% of my day putting my makeup on, and that's just like a waste of my time to do every single day. Like
And
props
money.
Yeah, props to like the females out there and the women who actually do their makeup every day and like get super glammed up, because like, wow, that's a big commitment.
Yay. I don't know, I like have a bit of a problem with some of the transgender community. I'm gonna turn this into like a social political thing here.
Do it.
When a lot of them say that you have to wear makeup to be passable, and I think that should not be the case. I think we should be like more so showing like our natural beauty and stuff. And when you're transitioning male to female, you'll really be able to see the difference if you're not wearing makeup. For me, it's mainly been my cheekbones that have been changing. Like my cheekbones are a lot larger now than what they used to be, and there's like a bit more shape to my face now. I don't think you'd notice it as much if I was wearing makeup so much. So I feel like I am noticing my changes a lot more, and I think we should just like accept our natural beauty. I don't know, I just have this weird view on makeup that's so weird. I feel like it's hiding your natural beauty a little bit.
I really like makeup because I feel like your face is just chilling there, right? It's not really doing much for you, but if you want to like draw all over it with like pigments and paints, it's like a fun activity to do, and then it makes you feel good about yourself, and then other people compliment you, and it's like a good time. Well, that's pretty much the video. I also did a little video with her on her channel, so Go check that out. I'll leave like a link somewhere on the screen and also in the description, so you can't say that you just didn't see it because it's somewhere in your field of vision right now. So click on that video, check it out. We were talking about how I'm non-binary and how she feels like she doesn't really understand the whole concept of not being a man or a woman.
I don't.
I was kind of just like talking about it with her, just having a conversation. It was pretty cool. So yeah, check that out. Subscribe to her, subscribe to me, leave a comment letting me know what you thought, both of her makeup and mine too, because I tried. If you have like any questions for me or her, you could ask us both questions. You can talk to us because we're people and we like talking.
Make sure you subscribe to my channel at Devin Meyer.
And subscribe to me at Luna Saffron. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you next time on my channel.